This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a bankruptcy. First, you need to understand the two primary types, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. It's crucial to consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney to determine which option best suits your financial situation. They can help you gather all the necessary financial documents, like pay stubs and bank statements, before you begin the formal process. Chapter 7 bankruptcy typically involves liquidating non-exempt assets to pay off debts, offering a relatively quick fresh start. In contrast, Chapter 13 involves a court-approved repayment plan, usually lasting 3 to 5 years, allowing you to keep your assets. Your eligibility for Chapter 7 depends on your income and assets, often requiring you to pass a means test. Once you've chosen a chapter, you must complete a required credit counseling course from an approved agency. Next, you'll file your official petition and detailed schedules with the bankruptcy court. A crucial step is attending the meeting of creditors, also known as a 341 meeting, where the trustee and creditors can ask you questions under oath. After filing, you'll need to complete a debtor education course to receive your discharge. While bankruptcy provides a fresh start, rebuilding your credit responsibly is essential. Focus on making timely payments and managing new credit wisely. Remember, you can find helpful resources and other deals, like those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, by checking the description below this video. They can truly simplify your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.